Hello friends, this is Chetan from GT Networks. Today let us look at a notification from RBI for statistics students. So first of all, let us go to the website of RBI, that is rbi.org.in, and then from here you should go to opportunities at RBI. Click here, and then after that you should go for this home tab and then current vacancies, and then after this sub tab you should come to vacancies. After that, this is current vacancies, and then here you can see January 28, 2021 recruitment of officers in grade B, DR General, DEPRR, DSIM 2021. So click here. So, and you can download the PDF also. So this is the recruitment of officers. This is grade B officers in DSIM, Department of Statistics, and there will be around three two phases, that is phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1, that is paper on online examination, and it will be conducted on 6th March 2021, and if you qualify for this first phase, that is paper 1, then paper 2 and paper 3, so this will be phase 2 and it will be conducted on March 31st. Okay, and DSI means Department of Statistics and Information Management. So this is the notification, and for DSIM there are 23 posts. Okay, and 9 unreserved, 5 SC, 5 ST, 3 OBC, 1 EWS, and you can fight among these 23 seats. Okay, and here is the details of the abbreviations, and here they have mentioned about pay scale. So this is the pay scale, 35,150 per month, and the details are here. The qualification, the eligibility criteria is nationality, you should be Indian or Nepali or Bhutani, and the age limits as per the date on 1st January 2021, minimum should be 21. Okay, and then the upper age limit, so up to 5 years it can be extended, that is upper age limit is 30 for all, and if they belong to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, so 5 years of relaxation. For other backward classes, so there is a reservation of there is a relaxation of 3 years if they have crossed 30 years, so they can write it for up to 33 years, and up to maximum 5 years for ex-employees of banking institutions. So this is the details, and for DSIM, so the essential qualification is a master degree in statistics or mathematical statistics or mathematical economics, econometrics, statistics and informatics from IIT Kharagpur, and applied statistics and informatics from IIT Bombay with the minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade in any in aggregate of all semesters or years. Okay, or else they can, if they are having master degree in mathematics, they can apply for this, and MStat degree in ISI, Indian Statistical Institute, with the minimum 55% of the marks, and a PG diploma in business analytics, so these also can apply by there means from ISI Kolkata, IIT Kharagpur and IIM Kolkata with a minimum 55% marks. Okay, and for SC, ST and PWBD candidates, so there is 50% marks, so above all they should possess 55% marks. So this is the educational qualification. Fine, and let us look at the centers. So if you are from Karnataka, then the first phase phase 1, that is paper 1 here. So online examination centers for phase 1 or paper 1. So that is, if you are from Karnataka, then the centers are Bangalore, Gulbarga, Hubli, Mangalore, Mysore, Shimoga and Udupi. Okay. For phase 2, the Karnataka candidate should go to Bangalore. So this is about examination centers. And for SC, ST and PWD candidates, so 100 rupees is the application charges. And for general OBC and EWS, it is 850 rupees. And for staff, there is no charge. So how to apply? So you should go through this. Here online application is there. If you click this, then it will direct you, and you can read this. Last date of application is February 15th 2021 till 12 midnight. So these are the general instructions. So if you go to rbi.org.in, then a percentage at RBI, then you can get this. So how to apply? Here is the link. Online application. So if you click there, then it will direct you. Online application is there. So you can click here. Now, so there is a registration. So click here for new registration. If you have already registered, then you can put your registration number and then password and then security code. So just if you are applying now, just click here for new registration. After clicking here, then it will direct you. So you should put first name and confirm the first name, middle name if you have. If star is there against it, you should put it compulsory. Middle name, there is no star. If you have middle name, you can put and confirm the same. And then last name, and then the full name will appear here. Mobile number, confirmation of mobile number, 10 digits only. And other alternative mobile number. So, and then email ID, confirmation of the email ID, the same email ID which I have given here. You should confirm the same, and then the security code, and then you should put save and next. Okay. After that, here photo and signature, and the details of the candidates, that is possessing degree from they will ask from degree. So SLC, PUC, degree, and then PG, and then this preview and uploads, that is of your photo and signature. And there are I think one annexure is there, so you should write the annexure and you should put your left thumbprint, and then at last if you do payment, then your application will be successful. So this is how you have to apply for RBI. So thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.